Hey guys, Bryant here with Mustang Mods Ecoboost Garage, and today I'm going to show you the prize that's available to win if you're one of the lucky subscribers on my channel. Hey guys, so I hope everybody's doing well out there. I haven't posted a video in a couple of weeks. I've been away, but I'm back and getting ready to get this video rolling so you guys can take a look at the product that we're going to have available on our channel. So in the previous videos, I showed you guys that I'm going to be redoing the grill on the car. So I found this website on the internet called customcargrills.com, and the link will be in the description below. Basically, they have these grills, mesh material that you can use to create your own grill using the existing plastic frame that goes in the front. So you can reuse the clips, you can reuse all the attachment pieces, but basically what you're doing is you're just taking off the mesh that's there and putting a new mesh on that looks to like whatever you desire. Basically, they have a couple of different ones available on the website. So what I did is I went ahead and bought the kit for my car, which is basically just the material. And then I also bought a secondary kit for the subscriber that's going to win the contest that I'm going to have coming up shortly. So this is the mesh that's going to go in the front of the grill. They give you two pieces. The bigger piece obviously is for the upper, the lower piece is the smaller section there on the bottom. The top one is actually formed to fit right over top of the existing grill mesh that's on there. So you basically just have to cut that off with a die grinder and then secure this one in its place. The lower one is not bent, so you actually have to do a little bit of bending to get that one to stay in place. But I also posted the video in the description below, so you can check out the website, you can check out the product, you can check out how to install it, and see if this is something that you want to have on your car. I'm going to do an installation video of the mesh that I went ahead and purchased for myself, and as you can see, this is just a sheet of the mesh. So I'm actually going to have to cut and form this mesh to go around the existing structure that I'm going to attach it to on my vehicle. But I think it should look pretty cool with this pattern here. I like that. Anyway guys, I just wanted to show you the product. It's not very expensive from the website. The kit you can purchase. I think you can get it to come with the zip ties and the glue that you need to secure it. And then you actually end up cutting the zip ties back off after the glue is dry. It takes about 24 hours to cure. So if this seems like something that you might be interested in and you want to enter the contest, we're going to be giving this thing away probably before the end of the month. I want to get my subscribers up to above 300. So if you guys like the video, if you want to subscribe to the channel and have a chance to win, please do so. And remember, Mustang Mods Ecoboost Garage is your place to find out all the mods that you need for your S550 Mustang. Peace out, fellas.